like it over here. They were on the news. There's a church right down here.
Why? Is it running off in their property or something?
Oh, I think it's just blocking their church. They're right down there. There's a church.
Yeah.
Is he gonna pick his lane?
He doesn't care.
I thought he would pick that lane.
I know, and like I said, he doesn't care. He didn't give you any kind of reaction at all.
I guess I can stop.
Or fight him like a
No, I think that lane to go.
I simply cannot get enough. I want it, I want it, I want it.
Go with the stable down. I have to run on the right behind him.
Like he really just he didn't shrug. He didn't
Throw his hands up.
nothing. He just looked over nonchalantly, like when you're passing someone, just generically looked back at the road. Oh, that's what I was going to say before he did that. We were talking about the church and the storage building.
Mm-hmm.
Well, I remember when Tracy, they built the church that was right next to her by my grandma's old house. They built a school building, and the runoff always ran onto her property. Or I guess it's her parents' property, but yeah, it was a huge pain in the butt. Flooded her property, and they wouldn't do anything about